Welcome to a journey of innovation and power, where we explore the astonishing world of Chinese heavy machinery. In today's episode, we dive into remarkable machines, each a symbol of China's industrial might and technological advancement. Join us as we unveil these giants, each with their unique capabilities and cutting-edge features. First up is the SANY SY215C Excavator, a standout in the construction industry. This machine features a 163 horsepower engine and a maximum digging depth of 21.6 feet. Known for its robust design and advanced hydraulic system, the SY215C offers exceptional efficiency and precision in various construction settings. It's equipped with a powerful Cummins engine, ensuring reliability and performance. The excavator also boasts an ergonomic design with a spacious cabin, providing comfort and visibility for the operator. SANY's innovative intelligent control system enhances the machine's performance and efficiency, making it a top choice for modern construction projects. Zoomlion ZCC 9800W crawler crane with an 882-ton lifting capacity is a marvel in heavy lifting. Designed for large-scale construction such as power plant and bridge projects, it features advanced lifting technology for the system, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly, making it adaptable to various project requirements. Its state-of-the-art control system ensures safe and efficient operation, while its powerful lifting capacity can handle some of the most challenging lifting tasks. The ZCC 9800W represents China's advancements in heavy machinery, showcasing the country's ability to produce world-class high-capacity cranes. The XCMG LW600KN wheel loader is a powerhouse in the mining and construction sectors. Boasting a 217 horsepower engine and a 4.5 cubic yard bucket capacity, it's designed for heavy-duty material handling. This loader features advanced technology such as a load-sensing hydraulic system and a ZF transmission, ensuring high efficiency and reduced fuel consumption. Its robust structure and high breakout force make it ideal for demanding tasks in quarries and large construction sites. The LW600KN also prioritizes operator comfort with a spacious, noise-reducing cabin equipped with modern controls. LiuGong's CLG 922D excavator, a dynamic performer in the construction industry, features a 161 horsepower engine and a maximum digging depth of 22 feet. Known for its reliability and versatility, this excavator has an advanced hydraulic system for precise and efficient operations. The CLG 922D's reinforced structure and powerful digging force make it suitable for various applications, from urban construction to landscaping. Its user-friendly interface and comfortable cabin ensure ease of use and operator safety, making it a preferred choice for contractors. The Shantui SD32 bulldozer, with a 320 horsepower engine, is a titan in earth moving. It is designed for challenging construction and mining terrains, and it features a straight tilt blade capable of moving 10.5 cubic yards of material. The SD32 is renowned for its robust construction, high traction, and excellent maneuverability. Its advanced powertrain and hydraulics offer efficient and reliable performance even under harsh conditions. Shantui's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in the SD32's design, making it a formidable player in the global bulldozer market. HBXGT 141 Crawler Bulldozer, a versatile earth mover, is equipped with a 140 horsepower engine and a 3.1 cubic yard straight tilt blade. This machine is designed for medium-scale construction projects, offering exceptional agility and power. Its unique undercarriage system provides excellent traction and stability, while the advanced power shift transmission ensures smooth operation. The T141 also features a comfortable operator cabin with ergonomic controls, enhancing productivity and reducing operator fatigue. The Changyun PY190H motor grader, a key player in road construction, boasts a 190 horsepower Cummins engine. With its 12-foot wide blade, it's perfect for creating smooth and flat surfaces for roadways and airfields. The PY190H features advanced hydraulics for precise blade control and a robust design for durability. Its articulated frame provides excellent maneuverability, making it effective in tight spaces. Changyun's emphasis on operator comfort and advanced technology makes the PY190H a reliable and efficient choice for modern road construction. The SDLG L956F wheel loader is a versatile machine for construction and mining. Powered by a 220 horsepower engine, it has a 3.3 cubic yard bucket capacity. Known for its fuel efficiency and reliability, the L956F features a reinforced frame and advanced cooling system, ensuring performance in demanding environments. Its pilot control system and comfortable cabin provide ease of operation, making it a popular choice for material handling and loading tasks. Utong YT 3621 mining truck, designed for heavy-duty mining operations, boasts a payload capacity of 77 tons. Powered by a 375 horsepower engine, it's built for transporting large volumes of ore and rock. The YT 3621 features a robust construction and a high-strength steel frame, ensuring durability and longevity. Its advanced suspension system and powerful drivetrain provide excellent performance in rugged mining environments. The Sunward SWE 210E excavator, a high-performance machine, features a 209 horsepower engine and a maximum digging depth of 22 feet. Ideal for urban construction and utility work, it offers precision and efficiency with its advanced hydraulic system. The SWE 210E is known for its reduced fuel consumption and low emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Its spacious cabin with ergonomic controls ensures operator comfort, enhancing productivity on the job site. The LiuGong CDM 6150 hydraulic excavator, a medium-sized excavator, features a 105 horsepower engine and a maximum digging depth of 20 feet. This excavator is known for its versatility and efficiency in urban construction and landscaping projects. It boasts advanced hydraulic technology for precise control and a comfortable cabin with user-friendly controls. The CDM 6150 is a cost-effective solution for contractors seeking reliable and efficient excavation equipment. Heli CPCD 100 forklift is a powerhouse in logistics and warehousing. With a lifting capacity of 22,000 pounds, it's designed for heavy-duty material handling. This forklift features a high-torque engine and a robust chassis, ensuring durability and stability under heavy loads. Its ergonomic design and advanced safety features provide a safe and comfortable operating experience, making it a preferred choice in warehouses and industrial facilities. The LiuGong JG80L Spider Excavator, a specialized machine, is designed for operations in challenging terrains such as hills and riverbeds. With a 54-horsepower engine and a unique spider-like leg system, it offers exceptional stability and mobility. The JG80L is ideal for environmental restoration projects and slope stabilization and is capable of precise digging and material handling in sensitive areas. Its compact size and versatility make it a unique tool for specialized construction tasks. The XGMA XG956H wheel loader, a versatile loader, features a 220 horsepower engine and a 3.3 cubic yard bucket capacity. Designed for construction and mining operations, it offers high productivity and material handling. This loader combines durability with advanced technology, including a high-efficiency hydraulic system and a comfortable operator cabin. The XG956H's reliability and performance make it a valuable asset in any heavy-duty operation. As we conclude our journey through the world of Chinese heavy machinery, we're left in awe of the sheer power and innovation these machines represent. Each one, from the robust excavators to the powerful bulldozers, embodies a fusion of cutting-edge technology and engineering excellence. Stay tuned for more episodes where we'll continue to explore the incredible advancements in this dynamic industry. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.